On January 31st, 2026, Trooper Brandon Loy heard over the radio that Trooper William Rourke had initiated a pursuit of a white Dodge Durango with temporary tags on I-30 near mile marker 141 at speeds exceeding 120 miles per hour. The suspect continued fleeing across multiple interstates while troopers attempted to intercept the vehicle and regain visual contact.
Yeah, I'm trying to get caught up over there to you. I'm gonna go 1024. He's passing on the shoulder, about to wreck out. Okay, go ahead. Come up to you. All right, see you. We're going 30 east, by the way.
After briefly losing sight of the vehicle, Trooper Loy and Trooper First Class Dwayne Niles located the suspect again on Highway 161. When Trooper Loy attempted another traffic stop, the driver accelerated and the pursuit resumed, reaching speeds over 100 miles per hour in a 35 mile per hour zone. The suspect then entered a Core 4-0 and drove recklessly, swerving across lanes and reaching speeds exceeding 130 miles per hour, while troopers attempted multiple pit maneuvers.
He's braking, stay by. Get him, 23. Just driving TVI, failed TVI. I did make contact with the vehicle.
You guys are 10 tag.
Yeah, 40, 440 west, stand by. We might go 40 west. He's going 440 west, excuse me, 40 west from 440. Speed 130, 40 westbound, approaching Proco, number 2 lane. Hurry up.
The pursuit ended after the suspect exited onto I-40 and Trooper Loy executed a successful pit maneuver, bringing the vehicle to a stop. The driver, identified as Neely Alleman, was removed from the vehicle and taken into custody, while 3 passengers were detained and later released. Troopers noted a strong odor of intoxicants coming from the driver at the time of arrest. On October 5th, 2025, Trooper Bluford attempted to conduct a traffic stop on a blue motorcycle with no license plate on Interstate 30 westbound near mile marker 141 after observing speeding and an improper lane change. When the trooper activated his emergency lights and sirens, the rider looked back and then accelerated, initiating the pursuit.
Trying to go 30 west, so traffic too thick. 30 west. Speed 90. He stopped in 1022, 30 west.
The rider, later identified as Craig Washington, fled westbound on Interstate 30 at speeds reaching 120 miles per hour while weaving through traffic, changing lanes aggressively, and even driving on the shoulder to avoid vehicles. The pursuit continued until Washington exited at mile marker 133 and traveled along the I-30 frontage road before turning north onto University Avenue.
Stopping now? No, we're just taking off. We're north on University. Light traffic. Turning left.
The pursuit ended when Washington attempted to re-enter Interstate 30, but suddenly abandoned the motorcycle and fled on foot. Trooper Highland and Trooper Bluford pursued him across a grassy area where he eventually gave up. After refusing commands to get on the ground, he was forced down and taken into custody before being transported to the Pulaski County Detention Facility. On October 2, 2025, TFC Bird was patrolling on Interstate 630 eastbound near John Barrow when he observed a black Dodge Charger speeding through traffic. Radar confirmed the vehicle traveling 105 miles per hour in a 60 miles per hour zone. As Bird attempted to position for a stop, the driver suddenly made a dangerous U-turn and began driving the wrong way in the eastbound lanes, forcing other motorists to move onto the shoulder to avoid a head-on collision and initiating the pursuit.
station, eastbound University of Florida. Eastbound Washington University. We got one at gunpoint, Marble and University, Marble University on 97. Thank you, y'all.
Shortly afterward, Corporal Ben Ibarra located the Charger and attempted a traffic stop, but the driver fled again. As the vehicle attempted a U-turn on Markham near University Avenue, Corporal Ibarra executed a successful pit maneuver, bringing the car to a stop. The driver, Willie Smith IV, resisted arrest but was ultimately subdued and taken into custody after a brief struggle.